Hello everybody, Felipe again, and today we're talking about A/B testing. All right, so why we have this feature here? Many times it's difficult to make decisions. We don't know which type of interactive gamified pop-up we would choose. If we want to work with spin the wheel, if we want to work with time slot or TNT, we don't know exactly which colors to pick for each button or each step of our pop-ups. So that's why we have the A/B testing groups, because we can add more than one campaign to the same group. So you can add 3, 4, 5 different types of campaigns to a group. Popconvert will display these campaigns randomly, and in the end we will have the results on our campaign page, and we'll see which campaign got a better conversion rate. Of course, the impressions will be more or less the same. Popconvert will do the best to display it properly, the same amount of impressions for each campaign, so you can analyze the data. All right, so how to set it up? First thing is creating a new A/B testing group here. Yeah, you create this new A/B testing group. It's already created. You just go here and you added this A/B testing group to your campaign. All right, once you add this new A/B testing group to your campaign, you just need to save. All right, it's not displaying over here because you need to reload. All right, so you just reload it. You go again, you go to A/B testing, and here you have your new A/B testing group. Okay, so you just load, save, and done. And then you can go ahead and add other campaigns to this A/B testing group, and then later on here on the campaigns, you will be able to check collected leads, impressions, everything you need to check from these campaigns. Yeah, these ones have better numbers. Yeah, collected leads, impressions, and conversions. So you can see which one is performing better. All right, I hope you like this video. Stay tuned for the next one. See you.